This video will give you a unique view on hydrocarbon-only absorbent materials. The spill is 10W30 oil and water. The pads being used are oil-only pads that will not absorb water. You can tell by their color coding. Often the universal absorbent pads will be gray in color, with the oil-only pads being white. Aggressive or acid spill materials are often yellow. You can see water beading on the surface of the pad while underneath the oil has been absorbed and locked in. Many of the pads are designed to float for hours on the surface of water, but they won't float forever, so prompt disposal after cleanup is finished is still necessary. As the pads are spun around, the leading edge can be seen soaking up the oil and locking it in place while the water on the surface of the pads beads up and moves around. These are great for containing and cleaning spills where release to the environment is a concern, such as your facility's stormwater runoff system, or whenever oil and water are present together in a spill. Another great use is as a drum top pad for your oil filling stations. These pads only soak up petroleum-based products and can help keep these areas clean, although pads should still be changed regularly. Hydrocarbon-only pads are a great tool for your spill kit, and understanding how and when to use them in your shop can be invaluable.
Boom. Showtime, bud.
We're there?
We're there. Right on that lens.
Pray for the wind. We're gonna do one more because I don't know that I have the patience to sit here for.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh,
That's,
very
yeah,
nice.
wow.
Neat.